Another day, another video. What is the Alaska Alcohol Awareness Written Test for Driver's License? The Alcohol Awareness Written Test for an Alaska driver's license is a test that assesses your understanding of the dangers and consequences of drinking and driving. The test is usually taken at a Division of Motor Vehicles office and covers topics such as the effects of alcohol on your ability to drive, the consequences of drunk driving, and the laws surrounding drunk driving in Alaska. The purpose of the Alcohol Awareness Written Test is to educate drivers on the dangers of drinking and driving and to encourage them to make responsible decisions when it comes to alcohol and driving. The test is usually required for individuals who have been convicted of drunk driving or who have had their license suspended or revoked due to alcohol-related offenses. Passing the Alcohol Awareness Written Test is a requirement for obtaining or reinstating an Alaska driver's license, and it is important to study and understand the information covered on the test to ensure that you have a safe and responsible driving experience in Alaska. What are the requirements? In order to take the Alaska driver's license Alcohol Awareness Written Test, you must meet the following requirements. 1. Be at least 21 years of age. 2. Have a valid Alaska learner's permit or driver's license. 3. Complete a state-approved alcohol and drug education program or have completed a similar program in another state. 4. Present acceptable identification. If you meet these requirements, you may schedule and take the Alcohol Awareness Written Test at Alaska Division of Motor Vehicles, DMV, office. The test is multiple choice and covers topics related to the effects of alcohol on driving, the consequences of drinking and driving, and the importance of making safe and responsible decisions when it comes to alcohol and driving. Example questions on Alaska Alcohol Awareness Written Test. The Alaska Alcohol Awareness Written Test covers a range of topics related to the dangers and consequences of drinking and driving. Some example questions you may encounter on the test include: what is the legal blood alcohol concentration limit for drivers in Alaska? How does alcohol affect your ability to drive safely? What are the consequences of drunk driving in Alaska? How long does it take for alcohol to leave your system after drinking? What should you do if you see someone driving while under the influence of alcohol? What is the minimum sentence for a first-time drunk driving conviction in Alaska? What is the effect of mixing alcohol with prescription drugs? What is the role of a designated driver in preventing drunk driving? How can you reduce the risk of being involved in an alcohol-related crash? What are the warning signs of alcohol dependence? Here are some tips to help you pass the Alaska Driver's License Alcohol Awareness Written Test. 1. Study the material. Before taking the test, make sure to review the information covered in the state-approved alcohol and drug education program or similar program. 1. Focus on topics related to the effects of alcohol on driving, the consequences of drinking and driving, and the importance of making safe and responsible decisions when it comes to alcohol and driving. 2. Use study aids. Utilize study aids such as flashcards, practice tests, and online resources to help you remember the material and familiarize yourself with the format of the test. 3. Get plenty of rest. Make sure to get a good night's sleep before the test. 3. Being well rested can help you focus and retain information. 4. Arrive early. Plan to arrive at the DMV office at least 15 minutes before your scheduled test time to allow for parking and any unexpected delays. 5. Read the questions carefully. When taking the test, read each question carefully and make sure you understand what is being asked before answering. 6. Read all answer choices. Before selecting your answer, make sure to read all answer choices carefully. 6. Sometimes there may be more than one answer that seems correct, but only one answer is the most accurate. 7. Take your time. The test is timed, but don't rush through it. 7. Take your time to read and understand each question and answer choice before making a selection. By following these tips, you can help increase your chances of passing the Alaska Driver's License Alcohol Awareness Written Test and making safe and responsible decisions when it comes to alcohol and driving. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.